how to avoid the first-headed monster probate court, and oh no, how to avoid the second-headed monster, the estate death tax. Oh no. Hey folks, elder law care attorney Patrick Kelleher coming to you today, folks, to share a sad and unfortunate real-life story with you about a very talented artist and musician that most folks know as Prince. Prince's real name, folks, was Prince Rogers Nelson. He passed away in 2016 here in America. And most of you know him again as Prince, very talented artist, very successful. He made a fortune in his lifetime with his talents and musical skills. And that being said, the unfortunate part of this story is Prince died a young man. And he died at the time when he passed away, unexpectedly, he died without a will. And he died without a will, folks. So the important thing to know here, he got bit hard, or his estate got bit hard by the first-headed monster probate court. And then the second-headed monster got bit real hard to the estate death tax. In particular, the federal estate tax took about $62 million from my calculation of his estate. That is right. You heard that correctly, folks. The federal government, from my calculation, was owed about $62 million, which equates to about 40% of the gross value of Prince's estate, which was about $156 million. Folks, please do not be like Prince. We may not have a multi-million-dollar estate, but I'm sure folks sitting at home watching this educational video answer this question. Did you work hard for what you have, or do you currently work hard for what you have? And do you desire to give what you worked hard for to the people that you love the very most? Or would you like to see maybe the government, the taxing authority, the Internal Revenue Code, becoming an unintended beneficiary of your estate? Folks, if you do not want that, strongly encourage you to work with a qualified, experienced estate planning elder law attorney that will help you put a comprehensive, trust-centered plan in place, folks, when you're alive and well. That way you get all your treasures into your treasure chest. That way you're in charge, you're in control, you're slaying the metaphorical four-headed beast. And if you do so and do it properly, cross the T's, dot the I's, you'll avoid probate court. You can avoid or reduce the estate tax to the greatest degree possible, so long as you have the proper germane tax planning in your trust. You can also create what I call family bloodline protection, which is asset protection for your loved ones. And of course, if you're 60, 65 and over, and you want to protect from the fourth-headed monster, which is the $15,000 private pay nursing home, make sure you get that 5-year clock running. So when you put your asset, maybe your family home, into that irrevocable Medicaid asset protection trust, you can ride out that 5-year look-back period before an incapacity strikes you or your spouse. That way, that asset, maybe your home, is off the table from the nursing home. So folks, whatever your goals may be, your vision, your dreams, your aspiration, the key takeaway here, folks, do not be like Prince. Do not give 40% of your estate away to the federal government if you do have a taxable estate, or if you desire to slay any one of the four-headed beasts here. You have to do it when you're alive and well, folks, because nobody makes you do it. The government doesn't educate or encourage citizens or individuals to slay that metaphorical four-headed beast. So it's up to you, folks. If you want to be that matriarch, patriarch of your family, strongly recommend work with an experienced estate elder law attorney sooner than later. Take action, folks. They say knowledge is power, but knowledge is truly not power unless what? Unless you take action. Folks, if you found this educational video helpful, please scroll down, post a comment, post a question, because a member of our elder law care team will get back to you as soon as possible. If you'd like to pick up a copy of our educational book, go to Amazon, Patrick Kelleher, How to Avoid the Four-Headed Monster of Estate Planning and Elder Law, or simply go to elderlawcare.com to learn more. Folks, thanks for being here today at elderlawcare.com.